Ayun.
Good day, sir. I'm Mary Gay at chess, together with my group mates, Claire Suralta and Mac Raven, Roa. So I am a third member. I'm assigning for a recording of video. So let's start.
Share the screen first. Okay, good day everyone. I'm Claire D. Serota, member number 1. I was assigned to install Python Anaconda in Windows. So let's go to browser. Then type free, download. We download Python.
Extend call? Ha?
Anaconda. Anaconda. Mm, Windows. Click the first link and keep registration. Press download. And see. Okay, let's wait for a minute. And then let's assume that we already installed the Python. Then search Anaconda. Mm, this one, open. Wait, just press next, agree, next, then, then next. Next again. Again. Just rename it. Next, Anaconda. Install. minutes, and then continue second person McRaven.
So,
Good
Mac,
day, sir. Okay, okay. Good day, sir. I am McRaven Roa. I am the second member. I am assigned to code, sir. So let's start with the Python data types. In programming, data types is an important concept. So maraming maraming mga data types, no? So just like text types, which is the string, and then the numeric types, the int, the integer, float, and complex, etc. Daghan pa marami pa talaga sila, no? So let's proceed on Python numbers, no? So may tatlong klase, no? Which is the int, float, and complex. The int, which is the whole number, and then the float, which is yun yung mga may decimal point, and then the complex,
11.
kasama including na yung mga letter. So
Wala pa.
I'm
Ang
gonna
tagal niya.
put here an example. uh, let's say is equals to 1, and then y is equals to 1.5, and the z is equals to 1 e 2. So uh, if you want to get the value of each, just simply put print, and then the variable f, shift enter. Okay, nung nakuha na yung value ng 1. So in uh, pwede pa-mute ng mic. Pa-mute ng mic nyo. Clear. Pwede pa-mute ng mic nyo.
Mute yung mic. Ipa-mute yung mic ko.
Wait. So, if you want to get the value of y, which is the float, repeat the same process, and put the variable y, and you will get the value of the y, which is the float. So if you want to get the type naman, if you want, what type is that, is integer or a float or complex, just put the print, and then type around brackets, and then assuming I want to get the type, what type is this, I'll just put this there, with shift enter, and there you'll get the what type is that. So let's proceed on, uh let's proceed on the, is that, I forgot what is the next. I guess assigning a variable. So Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. So let's put here if x y 3 is equals to banana, comma, double quote, apple, double quote again, and then mango. You can get the all of this output in one line. No? So this output here. Just repeat the same code put, but you'll put this, you'll put this, all of this in this line.
Karo?
So x comma y comma and z, and you'll get the value of the x, y, and z. That is
Ang lechon
the
ko.
assigning
Pato man yung
values. No?
banana, apple, mango.
So let's
Ni-jump na siya
proceed
kay
to
wala na siya tong inyo
a
kay ang
string
tanan
naman.
man. Ni-jump na siya.
So string is uh, parang ano lang siya, more on words siya, no? Mga letra talaga. So I'll put an example here. A is equals to hello world. Hello world, no?
Pakimute ko.
So
Pakimute.
I want to get the value of a. Then there is also the index here is you should always start on zero. Where is the zero index here? The h here is the zero, and then the e is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, etc. No? Mao na yan yung index niya on string. So, what if I wanted to get the hello only, no? Hello only. I'll just simply put print a and then the square bracket. So, you should always start in zero, no? If you want, you can also start here, but since I want to print the hello only, I'll start on zero. So 0, 0, and then I'll start at 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Then shift enter. You'll get the hello. What if I want to print the world only? So repeat the same process, but different na yung number. So 5 dito ay 5, no, sa comma, space is 6, 7 is world, ay W. It's starting 7, and then 8, 9, and 11, 12, 13. So you'll get the word world. No? So that is on slicing. No? So let's proceed on uh, printing format on string siya. So uh, hindi natin mako-combine yung ano, no, string at saka numbers. Di di tulad sa ibang IDE, no, ay ibang programming language. For example, age is equals 21, and then age is equals to, uh, let's just say, next height, text is equals to my name. My name is Mac, comma, then I, 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 I am plus age. So, yan ang mga kukuha mo, no? Sa
Page again.
pag ganito yung ano, format mo. Pero sa ibang programming language, yung ganito is pwede itong makombine. So, ano mga bang gagawin natin, no? Para ma-execute tong code na to? So, you just simply put if f here, just put an f before the ano, no, double quote, and then here erase the plus, then put the a bracket, and then hmm, dali lang nag-error dito. Okay. Ito na, ito pala. So, let's try natin kung gagana ba to. Ayaw gumana. Dito ata yung bracket. Ayun. Dali lang. Mali. Dali lang. Ano nga ba to? Dapat nakaganito. Dali.
Asa na ninyo?
Wait lang.
Hmm? Dinner na kayo pa ba?
Let's try to make this.
Ano oras na? 11:30.
Sorry. Ito na pala. Bumali din. Sino naman to? Kanina. So, yan. Ngayon pwede mag-execute. You just simply put F here and then bracket on age. That is on formatting with string. So let's proceed on list naman. List. So lists are used in storing multiple items. No? Kaya ganun yung marami yung mga store niya. So let's put a code there as list. It should be on a square bracket. Should put a square bracket if you want to execute a list. No? So double quote. Let's rename this as animal.
Boy,
And
exit
then
po
here,
to sa
so
Google Classroom ako kay second base.
double quote cat, double quote, yeah, yeah,
Unsa kay question ani gamay man
then
siya makuan.
um, ay sorry, oh, I repeat the print method, put
Pag
the
ay
variable.
pag ganun ba't may error? Ba't error pag ganun?
Yung kanina, dito kasi hindi ko nalagyan ng double quote dito sa may bandang cut. So, nabasa niya rin yung kama. So, kaya nagkaroon ng error. No? Mm. Dito kasi wala, hindi ko nalagyan ng double quote. So, pag lalagyan ko yan, saka na siya, hindi mag-error. Yan, yun lang. So, ang index naman dito is, dito siya magsisimula sa dog. Ito yung 0. Unlike before sa hello, by letter ang index niya, no? Dito sa list is, ang dog is ito yung 0 na index. And then the cat is 1 and 2 is the rat. So, what if I wanted to get the cat only, no? Simply put print animals and then square bracket, index 0, 1, 2. Since I wanted to print the cat only, I'll just put 2 here. And then we'll get, I mean, the cat, 1. Sorry, 1. Oh, we'll get the cat output. What if naman if I want to get the dog and cat only? The dog and cat only, no? So, starting from 0, dog, and 1, the cat. Just print animals, square bracket, and then 0 and 1. Sorry, I'll, I'll delete muna. And then, dog lang. Hindi pala siya pwede rito. Hindi pala siya pwede dito. Ano lang, yung index lang po. Siguro. Yun. Yun lang. Hindi pala yung pwede yung kanina. Ginawa ko. So, so let's proceed on dictionaries. No? Um, mag, para magkapareha lang sila ng
Bakit isa mata yung tuto ko
use. No? Almost the same lang sila. But, uh, the the bracket on dictionaries is, it should be a curly bracket, I mean. So, let's put an example here. Let's say city equals to ganito. Ganito ang sa dictionaries, hindi yung naka-square bracket. So, lagay tayo, brand, eh, let's say iPhone, eh, iPhone model, eh, model, Pro Max. Model ba yung Pro Max? Ano lang, sample lang naman. So, year 2024. Ay, okay lang. Ganyan na lang. So,
If I repeat the same process before, print city, then get the even yung wala naman natin mali. Nag-error ulitin mo basta nag-look po then yan pala yung kama kanina. Sorry, wala yung kama. Model. Then, 13, yung kama. Ito pala yung kulang kanina. Print. City. Ayan na. Naglabas na. So, design lang sila ng list, no? Parang list lang din. Nakaganto. So, that's on dictionary. So, let's proceed on pupils. So, ginagamit din siya sa pag-store ng multiple items din. But siya, unchangeable, and then it's written in round bracket. So, yung open parenthesis, ganun. Let's put example here, fruit equals to yan. Ganito na siya, hindi katulad ng kanina na naka square bracket at curly bracket. Ngayon, in Q4, it should be in round bracket. So, let's put apple, and then banana. Parang kanina lang, just print fruit. Then you'll get the output. Yan na yun. Yan yung pupils. Halos magkatareha lang sila sa list, dictionaries, at kapareha lang sila sa list at dictionaries. The only difference nila is this here ito lang yung difference nila. The list is square bracket. The dictionary is curly bracket, and then the keyboard here is round. Yan lang yung difference nila. So, dito na naman tayo pa look, no? The F, if, L, if, and else. So, the L, the L, if, the F, L, if, and else are lahat sila logical. Ganun. Puro sila ginagamit in logical. So, let's put an example here. A is equal to 10. And then B is equal to 11. So, yan. Paano ba ito? Paano ba gamitin yung if, no? So, I'll put here if B is greater than print kalimutan so yan, since tama naman tong condition dito is B is greater than C is greater than A, no? So ang value ng B is 11 and then the value of A is 10 only, so tama to, B is greater than A, kaya niya in-execute tong B is greater than A. What if I'll change it, B is less than A? So let's try. Walang lumabas, no? Kasi di naman tama yung condition. B is greater than 10 ay less than 8. Di naman tama yung condition dito, kaya hindi siya nag-print. So, paano nga ba i-secure yung ganito? So, gagamitin ko na yung L if, no? L if else muna, no? Else ay yung else muna, L if. So paano naman tong ls mo, I just delete this line. Paano naman to gumagana? So dapat yung dalawang variable dito is the same sila, equal sila, no? So I'll change it to 10 para magkapareho sila, and then print so A and B are equal. So tama naman tong condition dito. A and B is equal to 10. Pareha sila 10. So if I'll press the shift and enter. Invalid. Wait lang. Let's try again. So, repeat ko yung ginawa ko na. Nagloko. Okay. So, try natin kung mag-ano ba. Ano ba mali dito? Sandali lang. Wait lang. Ayan. Parang dito. Ito pala yung mali. Wait. Ayan natin dito. Dito nyo na lang. Dito nyo lang kanina. DE. And 8. Try natin. Balik. 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 Maliban. Ito na pala. Since tama na yung condition, A and B are equal. What if I can use to 13? So, ang mapiprint dito is itong line lang dito na. Since ito yung tamang condition. True siya na. Wala ko naman. Dapat pala dinidelete muna bago ka mag-ano. So that's LF na. What if the else naman? A is equal to then and then B is equal to 10 also na. Paano naman tong else? So else ay if B is greater than A, yung kanina na. Okay. B greater than A. So, dito maglalagay tayo ng else. Try natin. Try natin yung else na. Else print A is greater than B. Paano nga ba ito may secret? So, babaan natin to para tama yung condition. Valid na naman. Tama naman to. Tama naman to dito. Baka kailangan lagyan ng L8 A. Ayaw pa rin. Ba't ayaw? Kailangan na. Ito na. So, nakuha na yung yung else. Yung tama yung condition dito. The 10 is greater than 9, no? So, yung value ng A, 10, and then value ng B is 9. So, kaya na-print yung else. So, yan lang, no? Sa if, and else. So, dito naman tayo sa loop, no? So, for loop is yung repeated sequence yan, no? Repeated. It's either a list or tuple, dictionary, and stuff like that. Let's put an example, animal equals to itong since square bracket to this is a list, no? Mauna siya. Ito yung list. So, I'll put dog on my list. Cat became cat, and then rat. So, paano ba gumawa ng loop? Just simply put 4x and then animal. So, itong x is nag-represent siya sa animal. So, itong x pwede gawin ng y. Y is represented with this one, the animal. So, para ma-print yung ito, yung list na ito, ito yung process put y. Bakit ganito na naman? full X in animals, no? And then string. Ayan. Yan, no? So, ganito yung magiging output niya pag ginamit mo yung for loop, no? Pag naka-for loop ka. And then, magagamit ka to sa lahat ng ano, no? Let's try a dictionary. I mean, pupil. Let's try on pupil. Ito lang yun, no? Magagamit din po sa pupils na, ano. So, I guess that's all, no? That's all, guys. That's all, sir. Thank you. Okay.